Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Eid Mubarak to everyone. I hope you're gonna have a nice Eid. Today I'm making Falooda dessert. So I hope you're gonna like it. You can get this from any superstore. It's very easy recipe. First I'm gonna have 1 liter milk and 1 glass of water. One glass of water. And put on the cooker on medium heat and leave for 15 minutes till milk is boiled. Then add full packet of Falooda and keep stirring. For 15 minutes you have to stir this. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let it get cool. About 20 or 30 minutes. Then put some Falooda in glass. Put some Falooda in a glass up to halfway. Then add a few scoops ice cream. You can use any ice cream you like, and you can use ice with this if you like more cooler. And then at the end add some chocolate syrup or roux afza or any other syrup you like. You can use straw or you can use spoon as well. See, looks so nice. Here I have one with raspberry ice cream and chocolate syrup, the other with tutti frutti ice cream and chocolate syrup, and the other with bubblegum ice cream with roux afza. Looks lovely and is really tasty. You can also add ice if you like, because I didn't put because of children get so much cough. Thanks for watching Nisa Home Cooking. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.